Thank you, ma'am, for your excellent introduction, as well as I'm very much thankful for giving me such opportunity to interact with you all, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, ma'am. Now I directly go to the session, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am, whether the screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, one and all present here. Today we are going to discuss about some of the basic introduction about machine learning techniques. The topic given for me is steps of machine learning implementations. Today's agenda, we are going to see some of the concepts of machine learning, labeled data as well as unlabeled data, concepts of supervised machine learning, and concepts of unsupervised machine learning, steps of machine learning, collecting the historic training data from machine learning, for machine learning, and pre-process the data, train the model, test the algorithm, and use it. The theory concepts are going to be covered by me, and how the data is collected from various resources and how it is pre-processed, how we train the model, how the algorithm is used for training, and how we see the real output. That is going to be handled by Ashwini ma'am. First of all, we are going to, before discuss in depth about machine learning concept, we have to know about what is machine learning. This is the branch of artificial intelligence. That is, it is the subset of the artificial intelligence. It uses the computing-based systems to make sense out of the data. That is, it is going to extract patterns, fitting the data to functions, and classify the data, etc. It used for learning and improve the predictions or extracting the patterns using the historical data and the experience. It bridges the theoretical computer science as well as the actual data. So in case of artificial intelligence, it is the broader domain. For artificial intelligence, the learning concept is handled, the learning is given to the machine, the how the learning is given to the machine, that is discussed under the machine learning subject. If you have any queries, please stop and ask. Feel free to interact. A very formal definition of a machine learning. This is the start from Arthur Samuel. And that here he is a early American leader in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence. He coined the term machine learning in 1959. At IBM, he defined machine learning as the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Normally, while we discuss about computer programs, the input is the written program in any one of the high language, as well as the training model will be created. That training model is used for testing the divided into only three types. Then later it is divided into four categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. Under the supervised learning, it is very similar to a teacher guiding a student. Very basic example for supervised learning is housing price prediction and medical imaging. Unsupervised learning, it is self-study of a student. Without the guidance of a teacher, he or she is able to prepare a subject and going to write the test and produce the result. That is a very simple example for unsupervised learning. The given example here is customer segmentation and market basket analysis. Semi-supervised learning is a blend of supervised as well as unsupervised. It uses the text classification and land finding on GPS data. These are the in the car. We are providing the features of a car. The first attribute is the year of make. The second attribute is car brand. Then the third attribute is mileage. While we